The camera went down for a moment and I turned to RuPaul and I said, oh my God, like, I just want to say thank you so much. Like, it is such an honor to be here, such a pleasure to meet you. You have no idea, like, what this, just giving her, you know, that whole, like, everything I've ever wanted to say to her. And she turned to me and she said, nothing you say matters unless that camera is rolling. And that broke my spirit.
Wow.
And that is the reason why I had one foot in, one foot out the entire time I was on that show.
Interesting.